Most gardeners treat August as the month to give up on planting and start waiting for autumn. For the perennials on this list, that's exactly backwards. August is the last call, the final window before fall to get plants in the ground while the soil is still warm enough for rapid root establishment. The cooler nights and shorter days actually reduce stress on new transplants, giving them the perfect conditions to settle in before winter. Plant them now, and you'll have blooms this autumn and a head start on next spring.
Hey guys, quick heads up. If you see any plants or tools you like in this video, I've linked all my favorites on the screen and down below. Super easy to check out. All right, let's get into it.
Number 1. New England aster. Most perennials are already winding down by September. Asters are just getting started. This quick-growing native perennial produces masses of daisy-like blooms from August until the first frost, covering the plant in a cloud of color. The flowers come in shades of blue, deep lavender, pink, and purple, exactly the hues that pop against autumn's golds and oranges. And here's the best part. As everything else in your garden starts looking tired, asters become the main event, providing critical late-season nectar for pollinators when every flower counts. Plant asters in August, and you'll enjoy flowering throughout the fall. Next spring, they'll come back stronger and better. They require about 6 to 8 hours of full sun and moist, well-drained soil. This is the plant that turns your garden into the neighborhood showpiece when everyone else's is fading. Plant it now or regret it when your borders look bare come October. Number 2. Japanese anemone. Japanese anemones are the perennials that look like they belong in a botanical garden. Elegant, sculpted blooms rising on tall, graceful stems above clumps of dark green foliage. The flowers appear in various shades of pink, red, and white from late summer through autumn, catching the late afternoon light in a way that makes them seem to glow. A well-established colony in full autumn bloom is one of the most refined, sophisticated sights you can have in your garden. Delicate and papery, swaying gently in the breeze. August is the perfect month for planting because it offers sufficient warmth for roots to establish before winter. Once established, Japanese anemones are robust, low maintenance, and attract wildlife into your garden. They grow 2 to 3 feet tall and spread 4 to 6 feet wide over time. Plant them in partial shade to full sun with moist, well-drained soil. Plant them now and you'll have flowers this autumn. Wait until spring and you've lost an entire season of beauty. The choice is obvious. Number 3. Coneflower. Coneflowers are the Native American perennial that belongs in every garden, and August is the month to get them in the ground. The daisy-like flowers with distinctive copper-orange cones stand tall on sturdy stems, coming in shades of purple, pink, and white. They bloom from midsummer until the first frosts, and if temperatures stay warm, they'll keep producing flowers well into fall. Butterflies and bees find them irresistible, and goldfinches will visit the seed heads through winter. Plant coneflowers in August, and you'll still get months of blooms this season. They're heat-tolerant, drought-tolerant once established, and absolutely no fuss. Full sun to partial shade, well-drained soil. This is one of those plants that makes you look like you know what you're doing, and it asks almost nothing in return. Skip it now, and you'll be wondering why your late summer border looks so empty compared to everyone else's. Number 4. Black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susans are the cheerful workhorses of the late summer and fall garden, the kind of plants that make you wonder why anyone bothers with fussier perennials. The golden yellow blooms with dark, domed centers are at their peak from July through October, creating a warm, sunny display that lifts the entire garden. They're heat-tolerant, drought-tolerant, and adaptable to a wide range of soil types, from heavy clay to sandy dry spots. Pollinators love them, and the seed heads provide food for finches through winter. Plant them in August, and they'll establish roots before cooler weather arrives. full sun to light shade, average to poor soil, they actually perform better in lean conditions. This is the plant that delivers instant gratification and years of reliable color. Plant it now and enjoy blooms this fall. Skip it and you'll be seeing them in your neighbor's garden, wishing you'd made better choices. Number 5. Sedum Autumn Joy. Autumn Joy is the sedum that every gardener should know. A low-maintenance, high-impact perennial that brings bold texture and dusty pink flower heads from late summer through autumn. The fleshy, succulent foliage forms a tidy clump through summer. Then just when the rest of the garden is starting to look tired, the flower heads emerge, starting pale green, turning dusty pink, then deepening to rich rust red and burgundy by autumn. They're drought-tolerant, adored by bees and butterflies, and provide invaluable late-season nectar. August planting gives Autumn Joy time to establish roots before the flower show begins. Full sun, well-drained soil, it thrives in hot, dry spots where other plants struggle. This is the plant that bridges the gap between summer and autumn like nothing else. Plant it now, and you'll have a... Number 6. Perennial salvia. Perennial salvias are the definition of reliable, and August is exactly when they want to go in the ground. The striking upright flower spikes produce deep violet blue, purple, or pink blooms from late spring through fall. Many varieties, like May Night and Caradonna, bloom continuously through late summer with minimal deadheading. Hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies find them irresistible. On a warm August afternoon, you'll see more activity around salvia than almost anything else in the garden. Planting in August allows the flowers to produce a strong root system while the soil is still warm before the colder weather arrives. Full sun, well-drained soil, they're heat-tolerant, drought-tolerant once established, and thrive in average to poor soil. This is the plant that keeps the color coming when everything else is giving up. Plant it now, or spend next summer wondering why your garden doesn't have that same non-stop color. Number 7. Hardy chrysanthemum. Hardy mums are the quintessential fall flower, and August is the time to plant them. These fast-growing perennials bloom from early September to mid-October, producing masses of flowers in almost every color imaginable: red, pink, orange, yellow, purple, bronze, and white. A well-established clump in full autumn bloom is one of the most reliable late-season displays available, providing weeks of color right up to the first frost. Plant them in August, and they'll take root before the bloom period begins. Full sun with some afternoon shade, well-drained soil. They're the quintessential fall plant that makes your garden look like it belongs on a magazine cover. This is the plant that gives you autumn color on demand. Plant it now, and you'll have the best-looking garden on the block come October. Skip it, and you'll be making a last-minute run to the garden center when everyone else's mums are already blooming. Those are 7 perennials to plant this August, the last call before fall. The warm soil drives root growth faster than spring ever could, and cooler evenings reduce stress on new plants. Plant them now, and you'll get blooms this autumn, and a head start on next year. Wait until spring, and you've lost an entire season of color. Don't look back and regret this October. This is your moment. Subscribe. New plant content every week. We'll see you in the next one.